a lot of our users in the past had given us a feedback to change the presentation view of the current trial balance we are showing you in your current final statements for the current financial year. So we have three column T balance available as a presentation view for your opening trial balances, where your opening balance, your transactions during the year, and the net of it as the closing balance is shown to you. Here in opening trial balance, if in case if you have any errors or any differences, you can make amendments right away. And the moment you click on save, the updates shall be done in the specific ledger and the difference will be netted off in case if you have inputted anything that aligns with the difference amount. The same updates has been done in the current year's final statement where the trial balances format has been changed and updated. This is how the new trial balance looks to you. And just a disclaimer, you cannot put any data over here. This is only a presentation. Any changes to be done has to be done by a financial ledger, or in case if it's an opening balance difference, we'll have to go and navigate to the master's opening balance, opening trial balance, and make changes over there. However, for the during the year, current financial year's trial balance data, we have given a drill down option wherein you can click on any amount, specific drill will function, and the ledger will be shown to you. In case if you have any errors, any amendments you'd like to make over here, simply you can click on this amount and the specific trailing contract note bill, bank receipt, cash book payment, or your journal voucher entries will be popped out. This will save you a lot of man hours in case if you have any errors or any differences that you'd want to retain or make any amendments. Just a disclaimer that you cannot make any changes in the opening balances of this final statements trial balance. You can also view the trial balance now in ledger-wise presentation output. This is how your ledger-wise will be shown to